One change.
Good morning, Steadfast. This is Ashish Soni before you, and today I am here with a new topic and interesting topic, that is Incredible India. If we talk about the India, so India is one of the country which is totally different from the world, and within the also different in the transportation systems, education systems, also in the technology. If we talk about the IT hub of India, the IT hub of India is Karnataka. Just because the if we go to the any another state like Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, so we see that there are no any modern time of technology. But if you will enter in the Karnataka, so they will welcome you by the new technologies, and with the help of new technologies, it does not mean that they are forgetting the tradition, rituals, and many more things related to the India. And if we talk about the literacy rate of India, so it is being 74.04%, and the illiteracy rate of India is 24 above. Just because the main reason of illiteracy rate is child labor. If we talk about the child labor, so child labor is who is the below the age 18 years and who work at the hotels, restaurants, and anywhere to earn money. They also want to go in the schools. In 1976, government planned to make the government schools, and there in India in present time there are 58,16,673 government elementary schools and 21,27,000 secondary schools. There are many of the schools are here, but by which employment is not able to be prepared totally. And to increase the literacy rate of India and to decrease the illiteracy rate of India, we have to do many things, and we have to use modern era technologies. So in nowadays many of the people who thinks to send their children in the schools, so for that don't worry, the government schools are open for them. And if the child is not able to take interest in the going of school, so the three main facilities are provided in government schools, like a midday meal scheme, by which any child can get the meal, and any child can get the meal, and by which many of the parents will send their children in also government schools. And second point is scholarship examinations. There are running many competitive exams and scholarship examinations in the many schools. If we talk about one of the school, that is my school, Pink Flower Higher Secondary School, there was running one of the exam by which we can get the money. So it is being too nice for us that we are giving exam and getting money. It is being the modern technology. And if we compare our country to the America, so the in the whole world the highest literacy rate of the world is in the America, that is 98%, and in the India, that is 74.04%. The highest literacy rate in India is in the state of Kerala, that is 94%, and the least rate of the literacy in India, that is in the Bihar, 61.7%. It is being too really bad for us. It is shame on us that many of the schools are opened here, and we are sending our children in the restaurant, hotels to work, and we are making them to be child labor. And in nowadays our India is improving day by day in the technologies and the transportation system. Every state is having their own grains and vegetables, like if I will give you the example of this, so I will tell that Kerala who transport the coconuts in the whole India and also in the world. And if we talk about the Paschim Bengal, that is in Paschim Bengal there is a biggest production of rice and grains. So it was my topic, and in last I will tell you a shairi that दे सलामी उस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलामी उस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सब हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में
One change.